Today I'm cooking fried chicken for dinner and serving it with potato salad and coleslaw from the previous video. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 950 grams of whole leg chicken, 8 tablespoons of koki tempura flour. This is what it looks like. Other tempura flour works as well. 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 200 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Grind the washed coriander seed until fine. Remove and set aside in a bowl. Let's mix the batter. Add 6 tablespoons of koki tempura flour. Add in corn flour, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika powder, and the ground coriander seed. Mix it well. Add in 100 ml of water and mix until well combined. This consistency is too thick. Add in 100 ml of water and mix again. Alright, this consistency is okay. Let's make it slightly diluted so that the chicken can absorb the seasonings easily. If it is too thin, more tempura flour can be added. Next, add the chicken into the batter and marinate well so that it absorbs the seasoning. Put the marinated chicken in a plastic bag and pour the remaining batter into. Twist the top of the plastic bag and tighten it with the rubber band. Remove all the air to your best ability to encourage marination. Put the bag in the container and cover it. Leave it in the fridge for 2 hours, up to overnight. After 2 hours, take the chicken out from the bag. Stir for the chicken to be well coated. The consistency of the batter is slightly thinner now. It will not stick to the chicken when frying. Add in 2 tablespoons of koki tempura flour. Rub and mix until well combined. Now the batter is slightly thicker, sticking well to the chicken. Let's fry it. I have prepared the hot oil in the frying pan. If bubbles form up at the tip of cooking chopstick like this, the oil is hot enough for deep frying. Add the chicken carefully into the hot oil one by one. With the side of the skin facing down, it is better to hold the chicken with 2 spatulas or with tongs to avoid oil splash. As I have big pieces of chicken, I will cook them in 2 batches. Use medium heat and fry the chicken for 5 minutes. Avoid using high heat as the chicken can burn easily but remain uncooked. After 5 minutes, turn the chicken to the other side and continue to cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the chicken should be cooked on the other side. Turn the chicken once more so the skin is facing down and continue to cook for 3 more minutes. This is to make the skin really crispy. After 3 minutes, the chicken is well cooked and the skin is really crispy. It smells amazing. Remove the chicken from the oil. Notice that the chicken is dark brown. This is the color of marinated spices after deep frying. Leave it on the cooling rack. Repeat with the second batch. Take it out from the hot oil. Rest to cool slightly with the first batch. The chicken can be chopped up into smaller pieces before serving for ease of eating, if preferred. Serve with homemade potato salad and coleslaw. Let's eat! Wow, this is so good! The chicken is very tasty, crispy from the outside and tender inside. It goes so well with potato salad and coleslaw. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!